Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock from chicken breast. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 pound of chicken breast, some aromatic vegetables like carrots and celery and fresh herbs. Cut the chicken and vegetables into roughly 2-inch pieces. This helps them release their flavors efficiently. You'll also need a large pot, ideally 6 quarts or more, to accommodate everything comfortably. Next, place your prepared chicken and vegetables into the pot. Cover them with about 8 cups of cold water. It's important to start with cold water as it slowly extracts more flavor from the ingredients. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Let it cook slowly, and remember to skim off any foam that appears. Allow your stock to simmer gently for at least 1 hour, or up to 2 hours for a deeper, richer flavor. Avoid boiling, as this can make the stock cloudy. Once it has simmered sufficiently, carefully remove the pot from the heat. Strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the cooked solids. Finally, let your homemade chicken stock cool completely before storing. This is crucial for food safety. Once cooled, transfer the stock to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer storage, you can freeze the stock for up to 3 months. Consider freezing it in smaller portions for easy use in future recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.